For centuries, humanity believed the edge of our solar system was a silent frontier, a cold and desolate boundary where the sun's influence faded into darkness. But in recent decades, a series of shocking discoveries has transformed that perception entirely. Astronomers now realize that the outskirts of our solar system are far from empty. Instead, they are filled with mysterious objects, unexplained phenomena, and clues that challenge everything we thought we knew about space. From hidden planets to cosmic visitors, the edge of the solar system is proving to be one of the most fascinating regions in the universe. Today, we will journey to the farthest reaches of our cosmic neighborhood and uncover 20 astonishing discoveries that continue to baffle scientists and ignite our imagination. The discovery of the Kuiper belt, the discovery of the Kuiper belt in the early 1990s, revolutionized our understanding of the solar system. Before its confirmation, Pluto was seen as a lonely outpost on the edge of space. But astronomers soon realized that Pluto was not unique. It was simply one of countless icy bodies orbiting far beyond Neptune. This vast region, stretching billions of kilometers from the Sun, is home to frozen remnants from the birth of the solar system, essentially a time capsule of cosmic history. The Kuiper belt is populated with objects ranging from tiny icy fragments to dwarf planets like Eris, Haumea, and Makemake. The shocking part was not just its existence, but its sheer scale, containing potentially millions of objects. It showed that the solar system did not end at Neptune, as once thought, but extended much farther. Scientists now believe the Kuiper belt is the source of many comets that eventually journey toward the inner planets. The discovery opened a new frontier of exploration, raising questions about planetary formation and the possibility that Earth's water could have originated from these icy worlds. What was once seen as the solar system's edge suddenly expanded into a bustling region full of surprises. The Oort Cloud, a hypothetical frontier. Beyond the Kuiper belt lies a mysterious region known as the Oort Cloud, a hypothetical sphere of icy bodies that could extend halfway to the nearest star. While no direct observation has yet confirmed its existence, its presence is strongly supported by the behavior of long-period comets. These icy visitors, which sometimes take millions of years to orbit the Sun, likely originate from this distant reservoir. The Oort Cloud represents the true edge of the solar system, where the Sun's gravitational grip begins to weaken. If confirmed, it would be the largest structure in the solar system, containing trillions of frozen objects. The shocking implication is that our solar system is far larger and more complex than ever imagined. The Oort Cloud could also hold clues about the early days of planetary formation, as these objects are thought to be untouched relics from billions of years ago. Some scientists speculate that interstellar objects like Oumuamua may be ejected bodies from the Oort Clouds of other stars. If so, the Oort Cloud is not just a boundary, but a gateway connecting us to the galaxy at large. Its confirmation would expand humanity's vision of our cosmic home, and perhaps even reshape our understanding of planetary systems beyond our own. Sedna's strange orbit. In 2003, astronomers discovered Sedna, a distant reddish dwarf planet whose orbit shocked the scientific community. Unlike other Kuiper belt objects, Sedna's path takes it incredibly far from the Sun, so far, in fact, that its orbit cannot be explained by the known planets. Its elongated trajectory suggests the influence of something massive lurking in the outer solar system, perhaps even the elusive Planet 9. Sedna's discovery forced astronomers to rethink the structure of our cosmic neighborhood. Its orbit stretches over 11,000 years, carrying it into regions where the Sun appears only as a bright star in the distance. What is most disturbing is that Sedna's presence cannot be explained by existing models of solar system formation. Was it pulled into place by an unseen giant planet? Or could it have been influenced by the gravitational tug of a passing star billions of years ago? Sedna represents a mystery wrapped in ice, and it could be the first clue pointing to a hidden population of objects at the solar system's edge. Its discovery was not just another addition to the family of dwarf planets. It was a signpost indicating that something enormous and still unseen may be shaping the distant frontier of our solar system. The mystery of Planet 9, perhaps the most tantalizing discovery at the solar system's edge, is the evidence suggesting the existence of Planet 9. In 2016, astronomers noticed that several distant objects in the Kuiper belt had strangely aligned orbits. This clustering could only be explained if a massive, unseen planet, possibly 10 times the mass of Earth, was exerting its gravitational influence. Planet 9, if real, would orbit hundreds of times farther from the Sun than Earth, making it nearly impossible to spot with current telescopes. Its existence could explain anomalies like Sedna's orbit and the strange tilt of the solar system compared to the Sun's equator. What is shocking is the scale of this hypothetical planet, large enough to reshape our understanding of the solar system's architecture. If discovered, it would rank as one of the most important astronomical finds of the century. Yet, its elusiveness raises deep questions. How could such a massive world remain hidden for so long? Could it be a captured rogue planet from interstellar space? The hunt for Planet 9 continues, and its discovery would confirm that our solar system still holds monumental secrets waiting to be uncovered. Oumuamua, the interstellar visitor. In 2017, astronomers detected something truly shocking: a cigar-shaped object speeding through the solar system on a trajectory that clearly originated from outside. Named Oumuamua, meaning scout, in Hawaiian, it was the first confirmed interstellar object ever observed. Unlike comets, it showed no visible tail, and unlike asteroids, it was oddly elongated, possibly hundreds of meters long but only a fraction as wide. Its rapid acceleration, unexplained by gravity alone, fueled wild speculation. Was it a fragment of an alien world? Or, as some suggested, could it have been a piece of alien technology? Perhaps even a derelict probe. Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb controversially argued that its behavior fit better with artificial origins than with natural explanations. While mainstream science remains cautious, the mystery of Oumuamua highlighted just how little we know about interstellar visitors. It proved that objects from other star systems can and do pass through our solar system, offering tantalizing opportunities to study material from beyond our Sun's influence. Oumuamua was a reminder that the edge of the solar system is not a boundary but a gateway, one through which unexpected travelers may arrive at any time. The cold and mysterious Kuiper belt objects beyond Neptune lies a region that astronomers once thought was just a vast emptiness. Instead, they found the Kuiper belt, a massive ring of icy objects, dwarf planets, and frozen remnants left over from the birth of our solar system. These Kuiper belt objects, or KBOs, are like time capsules holding clues about how the planets formed billions of years ago. Some of them, like Pluto and Eris, are large enough to be considered dwarf planets, while countless others are small, icy rocks tumbling in silence. What makes them shocking is not just their existence, but the fact that many of them have unusual orbits that suggest something, or someone, is disturbing their paths. These objects are colder than anything we can imagine on Earth, with temperatures so low that even gases like nitrogen and methane freeze solid. Yet, despite their frozen nature, they hold the secrets of our origins. The discovery of these icy worlds challenges the old belief that the solar system ended with Neptune. Instead, it revealed that our planetary neighborhood stretches much farther, filled with strange, dark worlds that rarely see the faint sunlight reaching them. The unsettling tilt of planetary orbits. As astronomers mapped out the solar system, they noticed something strange. The planets and most objects orbit the Sun in a fairly flat, disk-like plane. But when it came to the farthest regions, especially objects in the Kuiper belt, their orbits were oddly tilted. This tilt is not small, it is significant enough to suggest that something massive, hidden is tugging on them. The shocking part is that no one has been able to see or confirm what is causing this tilt. Some scientists argue that it could be the gravity of a giant unseen planet, while others wonder if it might be the lingering effects of a star that once passed close to our system in the distant past. Whatever the cause, it is a mystery that unsettles astronomers because the precise mathematical models of planetary motion should have predicted it. Instead, the solar system appears more chaotic at its edges, as if invisible forces are shaping its destiny. The idea that a ghostly presence, perhaps a planet or even a remnant of a small star, could still influence our home system is both fascinating and terrifying. The mystery of interstellar visitors. In recent years, scientists have been stunned by the arrival of objects from outside our solar system. The first was Oumuamua in 2017, a long cigar-shaped object that raced through the solar system at incredible speeds before vanishing into the dark. Then came Borisov, a comet-like visitor with a bright tail. These events shocked astronomers because they proved that our solar system is not isolated. It is open to visitors from the galaxy. What unsettled researchers even more was the bizarre behavior of Oumuamua, which sped up in ways that could not be explained by gravity alone. Some suggested it was an alien probe or a fragment of advanced technology drifting through space. At the edge of the solar system, where our sun's gravity begins to lose its grip, the idea of interstellar travelers slipping in and out raises haunting questions. If these visitors can find their way in, what else might be entering undetected? And if they are natural objects, how many more are out there waiting to cross paths with Earth? These mysterious interstellar visitors suggest that the boundary of the solar system is not a shield, but a gateway. The shocking signals of Planet 9 for years, whispers of a hidden world have haunted astronomy. Called Planet 9, this hypothetical giant planet is believed to lurk far beyond Neptune, orbiting the Sun at a distance so vast that it takes thousands of years to complete a single revolution. Its existence has not been confirmed, but astronomers have found strong evidence in the way distant Kuiper belt objects cluster together. These icy bodies seem to align as if they are being shepherded by the gravity of something enormous. The shocking part is that Planet 9, if real, would be much larger than Earth and could even rival Neptune in size. Yet we cannot see it, even with the most powerful telescopes. Some scientists suggest it could be a rogue planet captured long ago, while others wonder if it might even be a failed star, a brown dwarf, drifting at the edges of our system. If Planet 9 does exist, its discovery would reshape our understanding of the solar system and confirm that our cosmic backyard still holds massive secrets waiting to be revealed. The vastness of the Oort Cloud at the very edge of the solar system lies something almost beyond imagination. The Oort Cloud. This massive sphere of icy objects is thought to surround the entire solar system like a distant shell stretching nearly halfway to the nearest stars. What shocks scientists is its sheer size and mystery. It has never been directly observed. Everything we know about it comes from the behavior of long-period comets that seem to come from nowhere, only to dive toward the Sun before vanishing again into the deep dark. The Oort Cloud may contain billions, even trillions of icy bodies, each one holding the secrets of the solar system's birth. Some astronomers think it might even hide objects as large as planets, waiting silently in the shadows. If true, the Oort Cloud is not just the edge of the solar system, it is a frontier, a place where the Sun's gravity gives way to the pull of other stars. To think that our solar system is surrounded by this vast, invisible reservoir of icy worlds is both humbling and deeply unsettling, as if we are only just beginning to understand the boundaries of our own neighborhood. The enigmatic Kuiper belt's hidden population. The Kuiper belt, a vast region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, has long fascinated astronomers. While Pluto is its most famous resident, new discoveries reveal that the Kuiper belt may hold far more secrets than previously imagined. Astronomers using powerful telescopes have detected dozens of smaller dwarf planets, some rivaling Pluto in size. Objects like Oumuamua, with its rapid spin and elongated shape, and Makemake, with its mysterious methane atmosphere, challenge our understanding of what defines a planet. Even more puzzling is that many Kuiper belt objects, KBOs, follow strange orbital patterns, clustering in ways that suggest they may be influenced by something massive lurking in the distance. This clustering has led to the Planet 9 hypothesis, which proposes a hidden world many times the mass of Earth, shepherding these objects into their current positions. The Kuiper belt is also considered a time capsule of the early solar system, containing primordial materials left over from planetary formation. Every discovery in this icy region not only adds to our catalog of strange worlds, but also brings us closer to unlocking the story of our solar system's birth. The deeper we look, the more it feels like the Kuiper belt is not simply a graveyard of icy rocks, but a thriving region full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Mysterious interstellar visitors. While the solar system has plenty of homegrown mysteries, some of the most shocking discoveries at its edge involve objects that are not from here at all. In 2017, astronomers spotted Oumuamua, the first confirmed interstellar visitor, speeding through our solar system. Unlike anything we had seen before, it had a cigar-like shape and tumbled through space in a way that defied expectations. Some theories suggested it could be a shard from a shattered exoplanet, while others speculated it might even be an alien probe. Then in 2019, a second interstellar object, 2I Borisov, was observed, this time resembling a more traditional comet. These discoveries raise profound questions. How often do interstellar objects pass through our solar system? Could they carry organic compounds, or even microscopic life, from distant star systems? The fact that two were spotted in just a few years suggests such visitors may be more common than once thought. As telescopes become more advanced, astronomers anticipate finding many more of these cosmic travelers. Each one offers a rare opportunity to study material from beyond our solar system without ever leaving home. These discoveries expand our sense of cosmic connection and suggest that our solar system is not isolated, but part of a vast interstellar highway where strange objects occasionally make pit stops before vanishing back into the void. The anomalous tilt of the solar system. One of the most unsettling puzzles about the solar system is its strange tilt. All of the planets orbit the Sun in a relatively flat plane, known as the ecliptic. However, the entire solar system is tilted about 6 degrees relative to the Sun's equator. This may sound small, but in cosmic terms, it is significant and perplexing. Scientists have long wondered what could cause such an alignment. Some argue it may be the result of gravitational interactions with giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn over billions of years. But another, more controversial explanation ties back to the elusive Planet 9. If a massive unseen planet lurks in the outer solar system, its gravitational influence could explain this tilt, subtly tugging the solar system's orbital plane out of alignment. Another possibility is that long ago, during the chaotic formation of the solar system, a nearby passing star nudged our system, leaving behind this permanent tilt as a scar. Regardless of the cause, this anomaly suggests that we do not fully understand the forces shaping our solar neighborhood. The tilt is a cosmic clue, hinting at hidden influences or long-lost events, waiting for science to uncover the true culprit. The unexplained X-shaped orbits. Astronomers studying the most distant objects in the solar system have noticed something extraordinary. Many of these bodies do not just have unusual orbits, but their orbits line up in an almost X-shaped configuration. Instead of circling the Sun randomly, they seem to cluster in a pattern that defies coincidence. This has fueled speculation that a massive, unseen planet orbits far beyond Pluto, It's gravitational pull organizing these distant objects into their current arrangement. This is one of the strongest pieces of indirect evidence for Planet 9, a potential world thought to be 10 times the size of Earth. Yet, no telescope has been able to capture it. Some scientists argue that the pattern might not require a hidden planet at all, but could instead be the result of many smaller bodies collectively influencing each other. Others suggest it could even be a leftover artifact from when the solar system was forming in a dense star cluster billions of years ago. The fact that such distant objects, tiny specks of ice and rock, can reveal hints about massive unseen worlds shows how interconnected the solar system truly is. These orbital X shapes are like fingerprints, pointing us toward a cosmic mystery that remains unsolved. The surprising heat of distant worlds at the very edge of the solar system, far from the sun's warmth. Icy worlds should be frozen solid and inactive. Yet astronomers have found that many of them are surprisingly warm, exhibiting signs of geological activity. Pluto, for example, stunned scientists during the New Horizons mission with evidence of mountains made of water ice, nitrogen glaciers flowing across its surface, and even hints of a possible underground ocean. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is another shocking case. Despite being so far from the Sun, it has active geysers that shoot nitrogen gas into space, suggesting internal heating. How do these distant, frozen worlds generate enough energy to stay geologically alive? The answer may lie in tidal heating, where gravitational interactions with nearby moons or planets cause friction and heat in their interiors. Radioactive decay deep inside these worlds may also contribute. The presence of hidden oceans beneath icy shells raises tantalizing questions about habitability. Could life exist in these isolated pockets, thriving in environments where sunlight never reaches? These discoveries force us to rethink what it means for a planet or moon to be dead. Even at the frozen fringes of the solar system, there is more heat and more life potential than anyone expected. The enigmatic Oort Cloud and its mysteries. The Oort Cloud remains one of the greatest mysteries of our solar system, a vast, spherical shell of icy bodies that surrounds us at unimaginable distances. Though never directly observed, its existence is inferred from the long-period comets that sweep dramatically into our skies. Scientists believe that the Oort Cloud may stretch up to 100,000 astronomical units from the Sun, a staggering distance that places it at the very boundary between the solar system and interstellar space. What makes it particularly fascinating is that it may hold the pristine remnants of the early solar system, frozen and untouched for billions of years. Each time a comet ventures inward, it offers clues about the origins of planets and perhaps even the molecules necessary for life. Yet, its sheer distance makes it difficult to study, leaving many questions unanswered. Could the Oort Cloud also harbor large, undiscovered bodies, even planets? Some astronomers suspect it does, and that its gravitational influence is shaping the orbits of objects in the farthest regions. It may well be a frontier that hides secrets about our cosmic neighborhood that we are only beginning to imagine. The mystery of Sedna's orbit. Sedna is one of the strangest objects discovered at the edge of the solar system. Unlike the familiar planets, Sedna follows an elongated orbit that takes it thousands of astronomical units away from the Sun, far into the darkness where light is nearly non-existent. Its orbit is so unusual that scientists suspect it was tugged into place by a hidden, massive object, perhaps the elusive Planet 9. Others suggest that Sedna might have been captured from another star system entirely, making it a visitor rather than a native of our solar family. Its reddish hue hints at a surface coated with tholins, complex organic molecules that form when radiation interacts with ices. That alone makes Sedna intriguing, because such compounds are considered building blocks of life. Yet the greatest mystery lies in its orbit. Why does Sedna move so far from the Sun, and what force continues to govern its path? Sedna could hold the key to understanding how the solar system interacts with the galaxy itself, blurring the lines between what belongs to us and what comes from beyond. The possible existence of Planet 9. Few ideas have captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike as much as the search for Planet 9. Unlike Pluto, which was demoted from planet status, Planet 9 has never been seen, yet the evidence for it grows stronger. Strange orbital alignments of distant Kuiper belt objects suggest the presence of a massive, unseen planet lurking in the outer solar system. If it exists, it could be 10 times the size of Earth and orbiting hundreds of times farther from the Sun. Some researchers believe that Planet 9 might even be a rogue world captured long ago, a planet that formed elsewhere and was pulled into the Sun's domain. Its gravitational fingerprint is undeniable in the way small icy bodies cluster and move in strange, consistent patterns. Finding it would rewrite our understanding of the solar system's architecture. But what if Planet 9 is more than just a planet? Could it be something darker, like a primordial black hole left over from the dawn of the universe? That chilling possibility keeps astronomers scanning the skies with ever more powerful telescopes. The strange interstellar visitors, Oumuamua and two-eyed Borisov. When Oumuamua passed through our solar system in 2017, it was unlike anything we had ever seen. Its elongated shape, rapid tumbling, and mysterious acceleration left scientists baffled. Some speculated it was merely an unusual fragment of rock or ice, while others whispered that it might be an alien probe. Just 2 years later, another interstellar object, two-eyed Borisov, entered our skies. Unlike Oumuamua, Borisov was more comet-like, complete with a tail of gas and dust. The arrival of not one, but 2 interstellar visitors in such a short time suggests that these cosmic travelers may be more common than we thought. Each one carries with it the chemistry and history of other star systems, offering us a rare glimpse into alien worlds without leaving our own. Their trajectories also highlight the thin veil separating our solar system from the galaxy at large. If interstellar objects can wander in so easily, what else might be slipping through the cosmic gates, unseen? These mysterious visitors remind us that the edge of the solar system is not a boundary, but a porous threshold where other realms meet ours. The solar system's connection to the galactic environment, as vast as our solar system feels, it is not isolated. At its outermost edge, where the sun's influence wanes, lies the heliopause, the boundary where solar wind collides with interstellar space. It is here that the solar system meets the galaxy itself. Beyond this invisible frontier lies a realm shaped by cosmic rays, interstellar clouds, and the gravitational pull of the Milky Way. Our solar system is constantly moving,